The Makers Program is Africa focused. It's a 4-week boot camp that we've designed for the emerging artists. And these artists, you're just starting your business, it's your first year. You are thinking of how to formalize, right? You're thinking about how do I start to make sure that this becomes sustainable and scalable. You're thinking of how to get the right mentors involved, how to get the best advisory for your business. How do I ensure that my back office is structured enough? How do I ensure that in 2-3 years I'm able to attract capital? The Makers Program is for you. It's a 4-week boot camp to be held virtually. This 4-week boot camp is one you should register for if you're thinking about how to solve the initial formalization of your business, how to monetize, how to grow. To also be in a community of like-minded business owners where you can all sort of, again, benchmark your businesses and learn together. So it's a good time to join. And there's a link in the bio where you can fill the form and join us.